Hello everyone, this is Pragati Kapoor, your EVS teacher from Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. Do you know where you live? Yes, we live on the planet Earth. So today we are going to start chapter 11, our Earth. The Earth is the third planet in our solar system. We are so lucky to be living on Earth. Our Earth is different from the other planets. It has life and no other planet has life. It has air and water too. So first look at the atmosphere of the Earth. The Earth is surrounded by a layer of gases. This layer is called atmosphere. The atmosphere protects our Earth from the harmful rays of the sun. It also helps to keep the temperature of the Earth steady. The atmosphere consists of two main gases, oxygen and nitrogen. There are also other gases like carbon dioxide, argon, and many more, which are present in very small quantities. Our Earth is made up of land and water. The green part is the land, the blue part is the water. The Earth is also surrounded by an envelope of air. Let us look at all these three elements. Number one is land. What is land? The surface of a land can be in the form of plains, hills, mountains. All of us live on land. Land is flat in some areas and hilly in other areas. So let's begin with the plain surface of a land. Plain is a vast area of flat land which is suitable for living, as cities and villages are built in the plain land. Farmers grow crops in the plain land and the temperature is either hot or cold depending on the season. Next is hills. Lands higher than the plains are known as hills. There are narrow and winding roads on hills. It experiences rain pretty often and the temperature on a hill is cool and pleasant because of its high formation. The houses here are built having slopy roof, so the rainwater flow easily. Growing crops on hills is difficult. However, we can see tea and coffee plantations at the foothills or in the valleys. Next is mountains. Hills that are very big are known as mountains. Usually in the form of a peak, they are much higher than hills. Mountains are rocky and are home to many animals and trees. Some of the high mountains are covered with snow, which on melting result in the formation of rivers. So, do you know which is the highest mountain range on the earth? Yes, the highest mountain range on earth is the Himalayas, and the tallest mountain is in these Himalayas is Mount Everest. Now come to the next part of earth is water. Water. The earth for a majority of its part is covered with water. 70% of the earth's surface is covered with water and 30% is covered with land. We all know the large part of the earth is filled with water. We need water to live. So, it is very essential for our existence. The water in oceans and seas is salty, while rivers and lakes consist of fresh water. Water is also stored as snow and ice. It is also present underground. When a stream breaks out from the heights of a mountain, we call it waterfall. Now, children, you have understood that Earth gives us so many things, and none of the planet has life except Earth. So, it is very important to take care of it. So, let's see how can we take care of our Earth. The earth has so many precious things deep down inside it, like coal, gold, petroleum, diamond, and many more. All these are natural resources. We tend to exploit the natural resources to make money beyond our needs. We build houses, roads, factories, and bridges on the earth. We often cut trees to clear the land for construction. This is a misuse of our natural resources. If we continue to misuse Mother Earth this way, a day will come soon when all the natural resources will get over. So take care of our planet, plant the trees more, and protect our Mother Earth. Thank you and bye bye.